Hello there, thank you very much for joining me again. The last time I saw you with this particular piece of work, we had just finished doing all the ink work and the water and the texture. We were moving all the colours around, and this is what we are left with. We have got this really nice picture that now that the light's on it you can see. Very nice abstract painting in its own right, but in this video I'm going to show you a little bit of how to use some of the firmer bodied acrylics in metallic shades and whites to be able to really pick out some of the details of this painting, just to give it that little bit of extra lift and interest, because at the end of the day that's what makes people want to see your work. That's the thing that will draw people in to look at all the little details. We've got some really nice things going on already, but I'd like to bring them out a little bit more. So I'm going to show you some very nice ways of doing that, and I hope that at the end of it you'll feel that it's really given a little bit of a boost to your own artwork and that you'll be able to take those forward in your other projects. So please enjoy, and I will see you at the end. That you really enjoyed that and that you've experienced and enjoyed playing about with the different acrylic mediums that we've got. The heavier body paints, the palette knives, your fingers are very useful. I will put all of the details in the comments below, so all the paints that we've used I will list them for you to have a look at, so you can get some for yourself if you so wish. And I hope that I will see you again before too long with another exciting project. Don't forget to keep practicing and playing with your acrylics and your abstract techniques, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Many thanks again. Bye bye.